Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Praveen Amineni. You are watching 100 Business Rule Practice Series. This is video number 33. We already created a custom table and today we will apply a real-time business rule exactly as used in real projects. Now start the requirement. Here the requirement is, how do you make mobile number mandatory when order is confirmed? Or else they will ask like this. How do you enforce a field as mandatory based on status? Other field. Previously, we created a custom table. This is the custom table I created, and each from starting to ending step of the table creation, I uploaded here in the description also. If you have any doubt, please go through this video. Let's start. This is a custom table I created. It having columns like or fields like number, customer name, mobile number, delivery address, delivery date, product category. It includes various fields, choices, rice, vegetables, fruits, leafy vegetables, etc. And quantity and unit, kgs, liter, dozen, pieces, and price per unit, total amount. Unlike that instant form, we have created order status. New confirmed, packet dispatched, delivered, cancelled. In that instant form, it is new, in progress, on hold, resolved, stopped, cancelled. Like that is there, no? Same like I created here. The concept is, as per our requirement, how do you make mobile number mandatory when order is confirmed? So as per requirement, when order is confirmed, the mobile number is made mandatory. How we can achieve this? So before going this, we can check why this question is important. In real-time projects, orders cannot be processed without customer contact. Users may forget to enter mobile number. System must enforce data quality. So mainly to enforce data quality, we should make mandatory mobile number. So systems must stop invalid updates automatically. So according to requirement, we can write the code. So briefly, we can break the requirement into simple types or simple parts. The first initial is check if order status is changed into confirmed. So check if order status is changed to confirmed. Then check if mobile number is empty. Here mobile number is empty. We are giving inputs to the system, or we are giving logic to the system. Then stop saving and show error message. So it will prevent the save, and at the same time it will show the error message. Furtherly, we can break into further simple steps to get answer. So when user is trying to confirm the order now, how we can change? How we can write the script? Changes to confirmed. This is the right answer, brief answer. When mobile number is empty, we can write script as current means current to table. U underscore mobile underscore number dot nil. This mobile number is a backend value. Nil is zero value, empty. Displays error message. Error message is shown by gs.addErrorMessage option adding. And finally prevent the saving. How we can prevent saving? By adding set about action true. Current dot set about action true. By these steps, we can make very easy. Let's start our topic. And that before, there are other alternative methods also there, along with our core business rule concept. So the first point is UA policy, but the drawback of UA policy is it will affect only on UA only because it won't support background script, backend value, background work, and client script also can be bypassed because it's work on client side only. And other alternative is there, dictionary mandatory. But by applying dictionary mandatory, the mandatory value should be static, not conditional. It will not change according to the requirement. So it's not recommended. So above three is not suitable for this concept. The best option is business rules. Why business rule is best? Because business rule work on the server-side logic. It cannot be bypassed. Works from UI, user interface, APIs, even integrations also, import and background script. Mainly used in production systems. So it's the best option. In the here business rule, we have four types of business rules available: before, after, async, display. And according to our requirement, before business rule should be used. And because of when update action, it will takes before only and runs on server side. We have four types of business rules here: before, after, async, display. Before business rule used for the record is saved to the database. When record is saved to the database, that conditions before business rule will apply. Examples are make fields mandatory. So our requirement is make fields mandatory. That's why we are using before business rule. Prevent update, change values before save, stop duplicate records, prevent priority downgrade, prevent reopening resolve instance. And these type of examples we can use before business rule. After business rule uses for the to trigger actions, to create, update other records, to send notifications, changing record after update. These conditions we can use after business rule. Async business rule is used mainly for the integration purpose because it will handle heavy logic. And display business rule is used for the uh, to pass data to client script from server side script. By this ways, we can use display business rule by using g_scratchpad technique and show warning message, warnings, display VIP banner, like that examples are there for display business rule. So now let's start the our business rule creation. So how can create our how can start the business rule? Through system navigation, as through system definition, typing business rules, or otherwise best option is there through table or shortcut key sys_script dot list or dot do list_dot do. By this way, we can easily navigate to the business rule. So we can start with the new. Your name starts with simple words and at the same time as per our requirement. So our requirement is here. How do you make mobile number mandatory? So mobile number mandatory. That's a good practice with relevant names as per relevant requirement. The table is our custom table. We already created a custom table, Amma Organics. Amma Organics. The custom table starts with u_, because it's a custom table and it's created by user itself. And if we click on advanced, we can notice two major changes. Here, when to run options will highlight and advanced options will highlight. Yes. When to run means we have already discussed, we have four different types of business rules available: before, after, async, display. So as per our requirement, we are using before business rule because we are updating now. We are maintain the mandatory field. That's why we are using before business rule. And as per our requirement, we are updating record. So that's why we are using update option. Then skip the actions. As per our requirement, there is no need of writing actions. Then click on advanced. We can write now simply as per our requirement. We already broke the requirement into simple steps. The first step is check if order status is changing to confirmed. The requirement is. Then furtherly, we can simplify it as when user is trying to confirm the order now. The simple solution is changes to confirmed. How we can write? If we'll apply if condition here. If order status, we need to write backend value of order status. Changes to confirmed. Then let's start. If current. Current means current table, current dot. We need to take backend value. What backend value we need to take? Check if order status is changing to confirmed. So we need to take backend value of order status. Where is order status? Here. So take the backend value. Right click, show uorder underscore status. Then copy the field. Or we can type, no problem. Best option is copy the field because it will no error mistakes or spelling mistakes. Then copy the code here. Copy the backend value here. Then what's the condition? Check if order status is changing to confirmed. Then we need to write changesTo. Dot changesTo. Changes to what stage? Check if order status changing to confirmed. We need to write backend value of confirmed. How we can write backend value? Confirmed. So go through the choices, then copy the confirmed backend value. Write in quotes. Confirmed. Then we need to write another condition. That's why we are using and. Maintain gaps and check if mobile number is empty. And already if condition we are using, that's why we are using another condition. Check if mobile number is empty. And instead of if we are using and mobile number is empty. Parent dot mobile number backend value we can copy here. Copy the field. Then paste into the business rule. Current dot u underscore mobile underscore number. Then what can we do now? As per our requirement, check if mobile number is empty. Mobile number is empty. So we need to write empty means nil. We need to write nil. Mobile number dot nil. Then close. Then start the curly braces. Then what's our next step? Stop saving and show error message. So display error message, stop saving. So display error message is by adding gs.addErrorMessage. Then gs.add add error message. Then what error message we need to add? Mobile number is required to confirm the order. Required to confirm. I am very weak about spellings. Yes. Then end of the line, please remember, should enter the semicolon. Now error message is given. Now what's the next step? Stop saving record. We can stop saving the record by adding set about action. So we need to use current because it will apply for the current table. Current dot set about action should use true. Then only it will apply. Then semicolon. Then just use the format code. By applying format code, it will align the spaces, adjust uniformity. Then submit. Then it's we applied brain to the ServiceNow, applied logic to the ServiceNow. Then we can check the condition. It's meeting or not. just to create the new organics. Create new order. Please remember the order number 381038 and fill mandatory fields. Order is new, then submit. So order automatically change it to the confirm. Okay. Date. So new order is new. The concept is how do you make mobile number mandatory when order is confirmed? So we need to change order status to confirmed. Then update. This is the previous business rule. So it stops the mobile number is required to confirm the order. Invalid update. So as per our requirement, it's happening. So we need to fill the mandatory fields. Then update. Mobile number is required to confirm the order. Invalid update. So as per our requirement we achieved. This is the code. This is the script we are given to the business rule. This is the code we are given. This is the script we are given. Same format, it's showing error message. Mobile number is required to confirm the order. Set about action. So mobile number is required to confirm the order. Invalid update. It won't prevent the update. Save. Then if we enter mobile number, it will save. Then sub update. Yeah, it's saved. This is the concept. This way we can practice very easy. So the best practice is whenever mandatory conditions depend on status, always use before update business rule. So whenever mandatory options will requirement is there, we should use before business rule concept and before update also. Thank you, dear friends. I hope this video will understand better. If you facing any issues or if you are facing any doubts, please post comment section. I will ready to answer. Thank you guys. Wish you all the best. If you like this video, for further more updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.